Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by aligning all pages and picking a simple binding method. Thread and a needle work best. Use a ruler and pencil to mark 2 to 4 evenly spaced holes about 1/2 inch from the edge, depending on page thickness. This prevents tearing. Once done, pierce all sheets at once so holes line up, and pass the needle through from the outside in. Pull snug, but not tight, so pages can turn freely. This first binding step sets the whole job up to last. Now you continue by sewing the pages together. Choose a backstitch or figure-8 pattern to distribute stress evenly. Thread the needle, leave a 2-3 inch tail and stitch through each hole, crossing back to lock each pass. Once you finish the last hole, form a surgeon's knot. Double loop, pull tight, then a single finishing knot. This prevents slipping. Make sure to tuck or trim the tails and, if desired, add a reinforcing strip of tape or a glued paper spine for extra. Finish by trimming thread ends and pressing the bound stack under weight for 30 to 60 minutes so pages settle flat. If you want a cleaner spine, apply a thin layer of glue or clear tape along the edge. Make sure glue is dry before opening fully. Troubleshooting tip. If holes tear or fibers give way, stop. Reinforce the damaged area with small paper patches or transparent tape. Re-pierce slightly away from the torn hole. And resew. This restores strength without replacing pages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.